topic today is smartphone photography. And our favorite tip
Clean the
is clean the
lens.
lens. So
Really?
just look at that image on the screen there. Before cleaning on the left, after cleaning on the right. The only difference between the first one. So I want to do that. We're going to take a selfie here.
Okay.
And then I'm going to clean the lens.
Yeah.
So the selfie lens is just right on the screen. That's something that people don't realize, and it gets fingerprints on it. So you're going to see the results of the before and after here. And so there's just, okay. That one is after I cleaned the lens. That one is before. Clean the lens.
How many times does she have to tell you?
I mean, your phone's in your pocket most of the time, right? Or in your purse or whatever. At the very least, just look at the lens before you snap a picture to make sure it's not. And at best, take a microfiber cloth or a t-shirt is fine and clean the lens. And the issue is what lens?
Oh, right.
So when you're taking a normal photo, you're using the lens on the rear of the phone. So that's the one you need to clean. But the issue, I think, is mostly in the selfies, because the selfie lens, people don't know where it is. Here is how you tell. Here's how you can find your selfie lens. So there's my phone. I'm in selfie mode. And if I just rub it's on the top here somewhere. If I rub my finger, that's where the lens is, right there. And if you look really closely, you see a little dot. So that's what lens.
Okay.